This is how I do it every day, so fast, single pass. Little bit of heat protectant, amount of curl that you get, different settings here, easy to pick from, very simple turn on. Watch this, how quickly and beautifully it works. Single pass, that is done, and it lasts most of the day. Just go around your hair and watch and see the before and after. One of the things I like to do is to put my hair in a ponytail and concentrate on the ends, and it gives a lot of nice volume for my style when I'm finished. You cannot beat how fast this is. It makes great, fabulous, beachy, soft waves. Or you can make tighter curls. You can control by the heat, the setting, and even the size. I like to make them tight and let them set a minute and then brush them out with my fingers, and it's fabulous and ready to go for the day. Favorite features of the T3 technology is the even heat distribution makes for very fast single pass curls. It has a cool tip here for using it like a wand. It has this really neat, pretty feature where it sits on your countertop without having the heat directly touch your table or your countertop or your bathroom sink. It also has a very nice grip here that's sensitive to the hair. The ceramic coating doesn't pull your hair in any way, and it has a smooth glide when you're. This is the beauty lovers upgrade, the single pass 1 1/4 inch curl with the extended wand. It has an extended wand. It has 9 different heat settings. It has a very cool tip and a 1 hour shut off time. This is the product that you need for the curl obsessed.